Welcome to this weekend's vlog. This vlog is different, and I'm certain that if you were in my shoes as well and you had the same experiences that I had, your life would not be the same as well. From experiencing breakdowns and being stranded for hours on end, nothing could have prepared us for this trip. But the greater thing is that in everything, we always found reason to glorify and give praise to God and thank Him, just as His word instructs us.
Batho ke a brother ke a vlogger. Bottom pe vlog ba mi.
I will be the first to admit that I wasn't the most proactive content creator during this trip, especially when we were faced with a bit of challenge or a setback. Your main focus is really seeing how things can get back up and running so you can continue with your trip. But I really need to take my hat off to everyone that I was traveling with who would encourage me to create the content, because this was a testimony. There's a story behind, everything that we went through, and it was not just for us but for the world to see and be encouraged. By the grace of God, we arrived safe and sound in Gakhibane, and we were ready to hit the ground running, but not before we got a bulk lesson so we understand how to jive the following day. The next clip, I don't know. I think we're just tired, and desperate times call for desperate measures. I had many highlights from this trip. One of them was go thapa ka metsi a thuthahaditsweng kwa ntle. Such a phenomenal feeling. Another highlight is fellowship, which the Bible highly encourages, and the opportunity to interact and spend time with people that we haven't seen in years was such a blessing and a privilege. But and it's so beautiful. After we were done with our chores, we just came to check if the guys were doing good and to bless the meat. Hallelujah. We really had a lovely time in Gakhibane. Oh, love is a beautiful, beautiful concept. This is me just showing you how sunburned I was. I think sometimes sunscreen is a scam. Once everything was done, it was time to come back home. And I must tell you, it's always fun when you drive to a place, but driving back, it's a scam. One thing I will always do is make time for content.
1, 2, 3, twice. We must say twice. How cheesy hell. Sharp. 1, 2, 3, twice.
I think it's also imperative to add that this was my first time having the original Red Bull, and you guys drink this thing and make it look like it tastes like candy floss, whereas it tastes horrible. I wasn't able to make it to church because we arrived very late in Kgoroso, but I'm eager to know what you learned on Sunday. Please share.